Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to create a business page on Facebook on your iPhone. So let's open up the Facebook app and then head over to your profile section on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then here you can see a list of menu. Click on see more, scroll down and click on pages. Now click on create page option, and then it will ask you whether it's a public page or a personal profile. Click on public page, click on next, get started, enter the page name, enter the page name. So I will just enter the page name and click on next. Search for the categories. Here you can search for any category you want. So it can be real estate, depends on your business. So I will just select clothing brand and click on create. Click on this option, whatever you fall in, click on continue, and you can type the bio of the page, and give the website, your email, phone number or address if you have a physical location, and click on next. You can customize these options later, and there you go. It will ask you to customize your profile icon and your cover photo, and if you click on next, just skip this step and click on next again, click on next, done, and your page has been successfully created. Now your profile will be switched to your new page, and there you go. You can again edit these options which I skipped later by clicking on this edit icon. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.